Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. So in today's video, we'll go with question number 43. So as you know, we are solving UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we solved until question number 42. So in today's question, we'll start with question number 43. So in question number 43, it is given which among the following will constitute the foreign direct investment, that is FDI. So which among the following will constitute foreign direct investment? So there are four options given: buying a company in the target country, expanding operation of an existing business in that country, investing in the shares and stock of companies in the capital market. So we have to find out which among these four would be the right answer for this. So for question number 43, we know the right answer would be buying a company in target country and expanding operation of an existing business in that country. So the role of foreign direct investment is the first two. So then we'll simply explain it further. That is the foreign direct investment. We need to remember what? That is the foreign direct investment in investment directly into production in a country by a company located in another country. That is investment in production so it is an investment in production by a company located in another country. So by a company located in another country. So now we also know either by buying a company in the target country, so either by buying a company in the target country or by expanding operation of an existing business in that country, or by expanding operation of an existing business in that country. So foreign direct investment is done for many reasons, including to take advantage of cheaper wages in that country, special investment privileges such as tax exemption offered by the country as an incentive to gain tariff-free access to markets of the country of the regions. So foreign direct investment, that is FDI, is in contrast to portfolio investment, which is passive investment in securities of another country such as stocks and bonds. So for this reason, we know for question number 43, that is buying a company in a target country and expanding operation of an existing business in that country. So these two are right answers. So for this, we know both option A and 2, that is 4, is the right answer for question number 43. So it is given expanding operation. Now investing in share and stock of company in the capital market, this is not the right answer. So for question number 43, the right answer is option 4. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 44. We know that for question number 44, which of the areas given below is mainly funded by International Development Agency in developing countries? So four options are given: infrastructure, education, environmental friendly projects and healthcare. So which of the areas given below is mainly funded by International Development Agency in developing countries? We know that is the right answer for question number 44 would be except environmental friendly projects, all of them, that is infrastructure, education and healthcare. So option 1 is the right answer. So which of the areas given below is mainly funded by International Developing Agency in the developing countries? It is infrastructure, education and healthcare. So for question number 44, right answer is 1, 2 and 3, that is code A is the right answer. So for question number 44, code A is the right answer. So now what I'll do, I'll go to the next question, which is question number 45. So in question number 45 it is given, when two or more countries enter into an agreement to eliminate import quota and tariff and promote trade among themselves, such a group of countries said to form a free trade area, a common market, a common union on both 2 and 3. So we know that is, it will be free trade area, that is FTA. Free trade area is what? That is wherever some countries sit together to decide to eliminate tariff, to decide to eliminate import quota and tariff and preference of most goods and services traded between them. They are creating a FTA, that is free trade agreement or free trade area. So when two countries does this, we know this as free trade area. So now what happens is that the aim of a free trade area is to reduce the barrier to exchange so that trade can grow as a result of specialization, division of labor, and most importantly via comparative advantage. So the main aim of free trade area is to reduce barrier to exchange so that trade can grow as a result of specialization, division of labor, and most importantly via comparative advantage. Now, free trade agreement can be an agreement between two countries, bilateral and multilateral. For example, Canada, United States, free trade agreement between USA and Canada. So we know for this reason, that is for question number 45, that when two or more countries, that is bilateral or multilateral, enter into an agreement to eliminate the import quotas and tariff and promote trade among themselves, such a group of countries are said to form free trade area or free trade agreement. So for question number 45, the right answer is option A. So what I'll do now is I'll revise to the questions I have done so far. So first we will go to the question number 43. So I'll just revise to the answer that I have done so far. For question number 43, the right answer is D. For question number 44, the right answer is A. And as you can see, for question number 45, the right answer is A only. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrupsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.